I figured since I'm on a YouTube roll of reviewing various things, since I got this this new tripod for my flip video recorder, I thought I'd go through and show you all my manual typewriters that I've been collecting over the years. This one here is what I've been using for the past year. I picked it up at a thrift store out here in Plano, Texas. Picked it up for $24, and I've been using it to write my second book. All this so far is what I've written. Just this guy here and a new. All I needed really was a new ribbon. So you sign. What I'll do is I'll just kind of type some things and show you how everything looks. It looks like that. This. You got the new ribbon. It's already gone through once, so now it's going back the other way. And as you can see, well, you probably can't see unless you zoom in, but the ink's getting a little dry, so I'll probably need to replace it soon. I've never written so much with a single typewriter. I usually switch off and on, or I usually go to pen and paper. But for this book, I've been using just this typewriter only. And I think I'll stay with it until I'm done, since I'm on a roll. But this one is still functional. I don't know if you can see. It's still. I left the little tape on that says it used to belong to one Sidney S. Wall Jr. I even have the original invoice where this was purchased. I think the guy paid $124 for this back in 1968. I'll have to verify that though. I've got the paperwork somewhere. But this one works good. The at key sticks, and so does, well, I was going to say the F key. Now it's working. Maybe it's the H. Yeah, the H key is what sticks. So this one's kind of sucks because I type kind of fast. And then when I type H, it sticks, and I kind of get tripped up on that. If you notice, the return doesn't always switch to the new line. That probably needs some adjusting. Right now I've got it on single space. But that's this one. Let me stop this, and I'll show you my next typewriter. So you can see, I guess if I ever need to sell this, I'll post these videos and say this is a typewriter I've got for sale. This one I'll use until I'm done with this book. So far it's up to page 134. I'll probably need another 200 or 300 pages before this book is finished. At the rate I'm going, it'll probably be another year or two. I'm going to try to speed that up though this year. Anyway, let's move on to the next one.